Okay, welcome to a lesson on since. We're going to put this word under the microscope. And it's because one of my students, Ilya, thank you Ilya, brought something to my attention which I must admit I had no idea was the case. He brought to my attention the fact that in the advanced grammar book they tell you that since can be used, let's say it with present perfect twice. Yeah, let's say it like that, on both sides of the subordinating conjunction, because that's what since is. It's a subordinating conjunction. And I want to make it clear that I disagree with Cambridge and I disagree with the advanced grammar book. I think what they are doing is they're telling you how people do speak English sometimes, but I don't think it's a very good way of speaking English. And I'm going to explain why. So we've got this word since, and what you learn when you first learn about since is that since plus moment in time and for plus period of time, and you learn that they're both used with present perfect. Yeah, but you use since plus a moment and for plus a period of time, and that's very important because we will see in a second why it's very important. Anyway, so when Ilya asked me a question, he asked me if these three sentences were okay. And I said, no, not really. They're not really okay. You might hear people saying them. I'm not saying that you won't, but I would never write this in an essay personally. And it's partly because I'm an English teacher, yeah, that I wouldn't write these three in an essay. For me, they are not standard English, although I'm well aware that people do speak like that sometimes. So I went to Cambridge Dictionary because he assured me, or he showed me in the advanced grammar that these three sentences were, somebody was saying that this was okay, and somebody was saying that number one, in Cambridge Dictionary, they were saying that this is okay. So I want to appeal to all the native speakers out there and tell me, what would you say in this sentence? They haven't received any junk mail since they moved house, or they haven't received any junk mail since they have moved house. Cambridge think that have is perfectly acceptable, it's fine, it's good even, and it's because, you know, I'm not sure, I can't even understand their logic here if I'm honest. For me, I'd put a big cross through that and I'd mark it every single time I would correct that. And it's because I'm teaching students that you use since and a moment in time, and past simple is a moment in time. My birthday is a moment in time. The 3rd of July is a moment in time. Notice you can't say since 3 weeks, you say for 3 weeks. You can't say since 3 months, you say for 3 months. Since is a moment in time in the past until now. And it always does that. It connects a moment in time in the past to now. Although in reported speech, we'll see that things work a little bit differently. We'll cover that in a second.